Imagine waking up to find your job replaced by AI overnight. It's happening right now to millions. But what if AI wasn't the enemy? What if it was your biggest ally? Look at your day. Emails, reports, data crunching, scheduling. 80% of jobs today are full of these repetitive tasks. AI is already automating them at lightning speed, threatening roles in marketing, admin, customer service, and more. I took a quiz and scored 94% risk of my job being automated by 2028. Shocking, right? Roles like design, writing, HR, and project management are at high risk. But here's the twist, AI doesn't have to end your career. Instead of fighting AI, flip the script. Make it work for you. Automate the boring 80% of your day so you focus on the irreplaceable 20%. Creativity, empathy, leadership. Suddenly, you're 10 times more productive and valuable. With AI, finish 8-hour work in 3 hours. Get promoted faster. Start a side hustle earning $5,000, $10,000 month without quitting. AI isn't the threat. It's the tool that levels up your life. The first step? Know exactly how threatened your job is. Take this free 60-second AI job threat quiz. It calculates your personal risk score and shows which parts of your day AI can help with instead of replacing. Once you know your risk, use AI to become irreplaceable. Automate routine tasks, boost creativity, and build skills AI can't touch. Turn threats into opportunities for growth, promotions, and financial freedom. I went from fearing AI to letting it do 80% of my work. Now I have time for family, hobbies, and an $8,000 month side income. You can start with the quiz and see how AI saves your career instead of ending it. Don't wait for AI to decide your future. Take control today. Click the link in the description for the free 60-second AI job threat quiz. It's instant, free, and could change everything. After you take it, comment your score below. I reply to everyone. Subscribe for daily tips on AI-proof careers. See you in the comments. What's your risk percent? Please like, share, and subscribe.